John Saborsa, lead forward to mat 8.
Let's go, Josh.
Final call.
Keep your hands up. Right. Sense and feel. Keep your head up. Sense and feel. Feel what's happening. Feel what's happening. Feel what's happening. Your game, son. Your game. Your game. Your game. Your game. Your game. Close that guard. Close that guard. Get 2 hands on the lapels. 2 hands on lapels. Pull it down. 2 hands on the lapels. Come on, come on, come on. Control that guard. Control that guard. Control that guard. Nice. Close it. Close it. Close that guard. Close that guard. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Mount it. Mount it. Make it a mounted triangle. Make it a mounted triangle. Make it a mount. That's it. Finish it. Finish it. Finish it. Nice. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Finish it. Finish it. Finish it. Make it a mounted triangle. Make it a mounted triangle. Make it a mounted triangle. Very nice. Very nice. Push off. Pass. 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 Come to your knees. Come to your knees. Weight on the knees. Weight on the knees. Sit. Sit. Or kick out. You feel it. Nice pass.
Yes.
Nice pass. Inside that leg. That's right. Lay flat. Lay flat. Lay flat. Lay flat. Lay flat. You got the points. You got the points. Alligator, play the game. That was brilliant. Freaking brilliant game that was.
Say what? Play your game, sir. Play your game.
Best I've seen them. Lay flat, lay flat, lay flat, lay flat. Kick out your hip. Don't give a groove. Kick out your hip. Don't give a groove. All right, now you got to come back to plaster and repass. Pass, pass, pass. Go inside the legs. Go inside the legs. Kick out and pass. Kick out and pass. Kick out and pass. Come on, Josh. Don't let him push you forward. Kick out and pass. Kick out and pass. That's it. That's it. Kick out and pass. Kill the knees. Drive the legs down. Drive the legs down. Look up at the ceiling. Look up at the ceiling. Drive the legs down. Drive the legs down. Look up at the ceiling. Look up at the ceiling. Look up at the ceiling. That's right. That's right. Control it and pass it. Control it and pass it. You own this. You're doing very well. Control it and pass it. 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 Tell him he's fighting here. Control it and pass it. Grab inside, right? You know the spider guard counter. Grab inside the legs, right? Hold the cuffs. There you go. Head up, head up, head up, head up. Right, right, right. Kick it out, kick it out, kick it out. Nice, nice.
Yes.
Hold that base. Hold that base and get the points. That's right. Flatten it, flatten it, flatten it, flatten it, flatten it, flatten it. All right, you got the 3 points. Flatten it. Back, back, back. Hooks. Hooks! 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 Get this! Get this! Get this! Get this! Get this! Get this! All right. Ready? Go! That's your position! Lift them up! Lift them up, son! You're doing awesome! Lift them up!
That's points.
Lift them up! It's the best I've ever seen him play. Lift them up! Phenomenal! Excellent. Excellent. Keep the position. 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 Close it. Close it. Close it. Close it. Slide it around. Regard. Regard. Nice. Brilliant. Regard. 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 Brilliant. Work the choke. Work the choke. He's giving you the arm lock and the choke. Yes, he's giving you the triangle too. Yes, he's giving you a lot. You got a triangle there. Yes, yes, regard, nice. Regard, regard, brilliant. Regard, regard, that's it. Put weight on it, put weight on it, put weight on it, put weight on it. No heel hooks, put weight on it, put weight on it. That's right, just put weight on it. Nothing's there, nothing's there, he doesn't have it. Put weight on it, get up and put weight on it. Put weight on it, put weight on it. Put the boot on, nothing's there. Put weight on it. We gotta go. It's not there. It's not there, Josh. Step around with the other foot and pass. Make your pass. Come on, get up and put weight on that foot. Oh, you're just resting? Put weight on that foot and pass. Put weight on that foot and pass. Come on. Come on, grab that arm, pull it. Now put weight on it. It's not there. It's not there. He doesn't have it. He's off in the wrong place. Come around, come around, come around, come around. Step around, step around. Come on, let's pass this. Let's pass this, right. Pull that and pass. Pull that and pass. Pull that and pass. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, recapture, recapture. Walk around, walk around, walk around. That's it, control the knees. Get that north-south. Control the knees. Make the pass, son. Make the pass. Make the pass. Make the pass. You're ahead 10-0. Be smart. Control inside. Lift your head up. Lift your head up. Take that arm out of there. Diffuse that. Diffuse that spider guard right now. Joshua, diffuse that freaking spider guard. You know, not run with the arm in there. Damn it. Lay flat, lay flat, lay flat. Alligator. Alligator. Kick out your hips. Kick out your hips.
There you go.
Lay flat, lay flat. Lay flat, damn it. Kill the hip. Kill the shoulder. Lay flat. Flatten them out. Flatten them out. Get the points for the pass. Yes. Your head 13-0. It's a slaughter. Come on, you're doing great. Come on, come on, come on. Kick out your hips. Kill the shoulder, kill the shoulder, kill the shoulder. Kill that shoulder, flatten them out. Work the neck, kill the shoulder. Okay, all right, all right, all right. Reverse triangle, reverse triangle, reverse triangle, reverse triangle. You got it, you got it, you got it, you got it, you got it. Keep your legs around the neck. There's an arm, there's a shoulder lock on the other arm too. There's a shoulder lock on the other arm too. Absolutely brilliant, absolutely brilliant. 20 seconds, Josh. Keep your head up. Keep your head out of that slot. Get your head out of those legs. Keep that damn position. Get your head out of those legs. Sit. No figure four. No figure four. Keep going. What happened? What?
John.
Yep, there we go. Automatic DQ, it's just a warning.
A warning. Oh, it's a warning. Just a warning. All right. So what happened? All right. I know you thought it was a foot lock, but you got the toe hold. Keep your hands up. Watch your game. 7 seconds. Base. Base. Watch your game. Watch your game. Pay attention to what you're doing.